Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I'm showing you how to warp your video in Premiere Pro, okay? So I have this video here. It's nothing special, but I'm just using it. Okay, so we want to head over into effects and you want to type in corner pin. Okay, drag and drop that onto your clip. Now head over to effect controls and you want to reduce the scale a little bit, okay? Just so you can see what you're doing. Then head on down to corner pin, press on it, and you can see we suddenly can warp the video to whatever we want. Okay, free transform, free warp it. Okay, that is literally it. Okay, there is nothing. That is how you warp in Premiere Pro. Okay, not many people know this. It's a quick tip, but there you go. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.